Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to talk about a powerful language model that can assist you in various tasks. That's right, we're diving into the world of ChatGPT. So in this tutorial, we'll be discussing 5 different prompts that you can use with ChatGPT to make your life easier. So let's get started. Starting with our first prompt, planning a trip can be overwhelming, but ChatGPT can help. Simply provide ChatGPT with the details of your trip, such as the destination, dates, and preferences, and let it generate an itinerary for you. Whether you're looking for a restaurant recommendation, sightseeing suggestion, or transportation option, ChatGPT can quickly generate a personalized itinerary to make your trip planning a breeze. So let's look at an example. I have asked ChatGPT to provide me with an itinerary plan for a 3-day trip to Manali. As you can see, it has actually given us the information that we need for our upcoming trip. You can change the destination as you like. Now, what if I modify this query to something else? If I want an itinerary plan for a 3-day trip to Manali from Delhi and say I have a budget of around 15,000 rupees. Look how it provided us the budget breakup. Moving on to the next prompt, creating a table of information. Do you need to organize data into a table? It can do that too. Just provide ChatGPT with the data you want to organize and it will generate a table for you. Here, in the first example, I have asked ChatGPT to create a holiday calendar for the month of September. Seems easy, right? Now here, I've asked it to create a table of protein-rich food items along with calorie details. So like I said, you can ask ChatGPT to create a table of information on any topic, such as a comparison of different products or a list of important dates. Now moving on to the next prompt. How to create content for your blog post. As a blogger, coming up with fresh and engaging content can be challenging. But with ChatGPT, you can get inspired. Simply give it a topic or a few keywords, and it will generate content ideas for your next blog post. From catchy headlines to interesting talking points, ChatGPT can help you create content that will captivate your audience. We need 5 pointers which describes the current stock market scenario. And as you can see, ChatGPT can help you come up with these pointers along with short summary of each point, which will save you time and help you produce a more comprehensive and well-researched blog post. Let's look at another example, where I've asked ChatGPT to give me a comparison of the Samsung S10 and iPhone 10 Pro. Now moving on to the next prompt. How do we learn complex topics? Have you ever struggled to understand complex topics? Well, ChatGPT can assist you. Whether you're studying for an exam, trying to grasp a difficult concept, or simply curious about a complex subject, it can provide you with simplified explanations and insights to help you understand complex topics in a more accessible way. So let's look at this example, where I ask it to describe the law of diminishing marginal utility with an example in layman terms. In similar way, ChatGPT can provide you with simplified explanations and insights to help you understand complex topics in a more accessible way. Moving on to our last prompt. Are you looking for a job? ChatGPT can help you with that too. Whether you need to draft an email to a recruiter or create a resume, it can generate professional and polished content to help you land the dream job. Just provide it with the necessary details and it will generate a well-crafted email or resume tailored to your needs. In the first example, you'll see that I have asked ChatGPT to write an email to the recruiter of BCG for a consulting role. Now, what if I want a resume template for a consultant role? Let's be specific this time. Let's say we want a resume template for an ESG consultant. You can see that it has given us all the information that I might require to create my resume and apply for a role of ESG consultant. There's work experience, education information, and a summary along with the skill set that I might require. So there you have it. 5 different ways you can use ChatGPT to make your life easier. From trip planning to organizing data, creating content, understanding complex topics, and job hunting. It is a versatile tool that can assist you in various tasks. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next.